How would multiple minds control a single body? Scenarios of multiple minds controlling a single body are few and far between, but the closest involves conjoined twins. Abby and Brittany are twins born with one body. Medically, it is referred to as deciphalic parapagus, which is even rarer than having conjoined twins at all. Only 11% of conjoined twins have this condition. These twins are identical and have joined in the womb, with each having a heart, stomach, spine, lungs, and spinal cord. Both also get control of one arm and leg. Growing up, they had to put their heads together to be able to crawl, walk, and clap. Driving, swimming, hairbrushing, and similar activities also require coordination, but each feels objects on her side. Determined to live normal lives, they graduated with separate degrees in education and are currently living out their dream as 5th grade teachers. One specializes in math and the other English, but still they are recognized as one person with a single salary. They might share a reproductive organ, but they are as different as can be. From clothes to boys and personality traits, heck, even with coffee they differ, but have learned to compromise on matters. Abby is considered the introvert, while Brittany would much rather spend her days outside. They have come to see the need for compromise in functioning as a single body, although difficult. Maybe two heads really know better than one.